Hey, what's up guys? This is Terry with Moix RV in Conway, and guys, I've got to show you this brand new 2024 all redesigned Forester 2371. The 2371 is actually a new floor plan that they just created, guys. That's absolutely loaded. But let me tell you a little bit about this chassis. So it is the 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost Ford chassis, and it's all-wheel drive. So guys, that means in snowstorms, in heavy rains, or even if you want to take it off-road, this Transit is going to have you covered. On the outside of this coach, you've got a full body paint, no decals whatsoever. That means it is an automotive gel coat. You can wax it, you can buff it, you can ceramic coat it, you can do whatever you want to. Guys, under this giant awning, it is a wind sensing power awning with LED lights. You've got JBL sound system outside, an LP quick connect to hook up your gas grill. Guys, this thing has absolutely everything. Y'all come on in and check it out. Guys, Forest River has thought about everything in this coach. They have set you up with an Arctic package, which is 12-volt tank heaters. It can withstand those colder temperatures, a JBL sound system with a subwoofer, double swivel captain's chairs up front. You've got the double recliners. Here in the kitchen, you've got a 2-burner stovetop and a convection microwave. They've even got tankless hot water on this coach, guys. They have thought about everything. One of the things that they changed on this Forester is actually the air conditioning system. So you've got a 13,500 BTU air conditioner. It's thermostatically controlled and centrally ducted, but one of the cool things that they changed is they've actually added a heat pump. So when it's like 50 degrees outside or so, you can actually turn on your heat pump and use electric heat only. Back here in the master bedroom, you've got double twin-size beds. They are on a push-button system, so when they are combined, it actually forms into a king-size bed. Plenty of cabinetry up top, and you've got little reading lights built in as well. Here in the back master bathroom, you've got a true porcelain toilet, a 36-inch shower with an oxygenic shower head, and then you've got plenty of closet space as well. Guys, as y'all can see, Forester has really stepped up their game in the Transit chassis. Guys, y'all have got to come check this one out. 1213 Collier Drive here in Conway.